Hey, welcome to Plus 3 Vlogs. I'm William, and today's video we're going to talk game. I got the K20 Peugeot 205. This intro is going to be a little bit weird because the intro I shot before somehow got lost, and yeah, now when I'm going to edit it, I found that out. So yeah, in the previous video you see me take the 205 on its second shakedown session, which actually pretty damn well. Pretty much problem free, kinda, aside from the hood latch flew off on the street, and the cooking brake pads, and I cooked my braking fluid. All will that be talked about later. And well, the rear tires were still hitting on the inside of the wheel arch bit and on the rear bumper. It's been some time past. I fixed that now with just a hammer and a grinder and some good faith and some muscle, but that problem should be resolved right now because I actually have a bit better, so it actually feels better right now, so that should be solved. Second thing that went a bit wrong was the brakes. The brakes did very well actually, but the cheap brake pads didn't hold up. They overheated, and because of my braking force, because yeah, I completely boiled my braking fluid, and as you can see right here, it all went into in the inside. That's not from the that's not from the clutch cylinder. That's actually dripping down from the brake master. It's also on the master. I'm not going to show you because it's a bit dark in there, but that's also what happened. I thought something broke, but and it didn't cause a leak. But then Martin from Peer Development said, you probably just boiled your brakes, the brake fluid. And that's probably what it is, because the brake pads and the brake discs got way too hot because they were for no means built for track use. So I have to upgrade the brakes later on, because that was the plan anyway. I'm going to go probably for Ferrodo DS2500s or 3000s, but I'm also looking at EBCs. But there will be EBC discs, but pads, not sure, but probably Ferrodos, because I had them on my old car and they were pretty damn good. And those were on stock Peugeot 205 1.9 GTI brakes, and these has a size bigger 266 Citroen VTS brakes, Xara VTS brakes. I don't know the size of the 1.9 GTI brakes, but I think they're like 245s, not sure, but still pretty good. Yeah, other than that, it's actually pretty good. I'm going to, of course, do something about that hot exhaust, but that was already planned anyway. I probably already said in the last video that I'm going to take the engine out and paint the engine bay. That's going to be next. I'm going to maybe fix some of this stuff. I don't really care, but I do going to fix them out. Oh, damn it. Then I am going to fix the mounts, because those broke off, of course, while we were driving on the truck. Yeah, but that was the end of the season. So, but it's getting pretty damn cold, and see over there, the goddamn farming machine's back inside, so it kind of sucks. Because taking out the engine, I really wanted to swap the car around or something, but I have to figure something out. Yeah, this is going to probably be just a short talking video to show what's going on, you know. But not much to tell, but I'm just very happy that everything went okay. And yet again, I forgot something here. I also, of course, had that fuel delivery problem, but I had all the fuel slots in the big tank. I'm gonna go for a swirl pot. Not sure where and how, but the fuel system is going to get changed. I'm gonna go for a second fuel pump, of course, because that's what you need to do for a swirl pot or a surge tank or whatever. But how it's gonna go, not sure, but that's basically what's going to happen. Oh yeah, other plans is, of course, I'm going to change the shift linkage. The shifter box are going to go for a K-tuned, because people did note like that this is a bit too far away. that's true. Said that in my videos, but not everybody watches all my videos. That's totally fine, but it's gonna go where the stock shifter is in a 205, and that's going to be fine. Yeah, other than basic stuff, I have no further. Yeah, and I do want to change the GTI steering wheel for my other one, which is over here. It has the hub and everything with it, but I really like the GTI steering wheel. It's perfect, but it's kind of weird to go for it with a stock GTI steering wheel. Probably, I don't know about that, but yeah. On that, we will probably the end of this season. The videos are gonna go pretty slow because it's already getting cold in the barn in my workshop. So yeah, probably next real video is gonna be me trying to powder coat, because I'm doing some other things now. I have these wheels over there. I'm gonna try to powder coat them myself at a friend's house. So yeah, that's gonna be cool. Gonna film that, and maybe that set over there. Not sure. They're from the Civic. So yeah, and I also have. Yeah, I'm kind of a shit buyer. I've got these Techno Magnesios. Maybe I'm going to do those as well, but who knows. These things for later on. So for this year, don't expect a lot of videos on this thing, even though if I'm going to work on it, I'm going to film a little bit, and I'll wait until I have enough to put in one video, because I'm not going to put videos like 5 minutes at a time, because that sucks. So if there is a video, probably maybe in December at most. I think it's going to be in January. That will be like little bits. But maybe I'm going to put like when I pull out the engine and talk you through blah blah blah. I don't know how it's exactly going to go. But pulling out the engine, that's just, I don't know, hour and a half work, so it's not that interesting. So yeah. Oh yeah, I also need to install a fan. Maybe I'm going to do that later on as well. I don't have it yet, but the car do need a fan, because it's quite handy. Also, I'll do an installment video on how to install it on your ECU master, because I did have some questions on how to install it, which is actually quite easy. I did explain it on the how it works video, but I'm going to do step by step how to install, I don't know, something. So I'm going to do it with the fan, talk you through it and how to program it. Basically just like the others, but this time I'm actually connecting something. So that's going to be something maybe to look forward at. So yeah, I want to thank ECU Master for helping me out with this car. Autodrive Heerschap, JDS Construction. I want to thank Martin for PR development in Britain. Look him up on Facebook. I want to thank yeah, anybody who helped me. Couldn't do it by myself. I want to thank you for watching all my videos. I did the video series just because I want to show you something, and it's pretty cool to have some viewers that really like my project. There are some more projects, not really in the planning, but there are some more stuff I want to do. That's also to have, but not on this one. But you know, that's for later. I've got some other things in mind. Civic is first on the, not on the chopping block, but that's next, because there are some things, because over here in this cluster we have some coilovers, but there are some things missing that I can't put on the Civic yet, because I need to source some parts and I can't goddamn find them. Just not for the right price, because that's how the thing works. I need to do it on the price, you know, low as possible. But yeah, other than that, I want to thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Later on.
So thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. And talking about more, you can click on one of these two videos to see some more from the channel. And yeah, hope to see you next time. Later.